All right, so today is day 2 of 365 days of play. And today we are at Arches National Park. And we drove here into the park all the way to Delicate Arches Viewpoint. And so we're going to take some footage of this spectacular national park. The views driving in were amazing. And so let's check these views out. And there it is. Now we can hike up to it. And if you can see the tiny little people that are about right here. I'm not sure if you can see them in the video, but there are people already up there. So you can hike right up to it, or you can come over here from this viewpoint. If you don't want to hike, you can come to this viewpoint and check it out from here. And there's actually a trail right there that goes up a little bit higher so you can see it a little bit better if you still don't want to hike all the way up to it. For whatever reason, if you're not able to walk or hike, you got a leg injury or whatever, you can come to at least this point, which you could see the parking lot is right there. There's a truck right there. So it's probably like a few hundred yard walk to this viewpoint right here. So on that note, let's check out the rest of the park. Right there, check out this spectacular view. I know we're looking into the sun now, so that might not be as good of a shot. But look at all these just interesting rock formations. Alright, we are at the Windows Trail, and we're right here. This is pretty spectacular. This is the first time I've ever been to Arches National Park. I highly recommend that if you get a chance, you need to come down here and check out all the people in that arch. I don't know if you can see all the people kind of hiking up in there, but there are so many trails that you can hike up in here. It's absolutely stunning. So we just left the Arches National Park Visitor Center, picked up a couple of souvenirs for some memories of this spectacular park. Got a lizard, got an owl.
Thank you.
Got a rabbit.
No, thank you.
All right. All right, so we wrapped up our day at Arches National Park, came back to the hotel to play some more. And now we're gonna get ready to go have some dinner and call it a day. And then tomorrow, we actually head back home. So I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do tomorrow for day 3 of 365 days of play. Maybe we'll play in the pool again before we head back home. But day 2 of 365 days of play is officially in the books.
That one